Welcome back, guys. It's Saturday today and Halloween is tomorrow, so we're going to be doing the nude up with some fake blood, and we've got a few things, and we're going to be hitting the streets while kids are trick-or-treating and with a bit of a theme. Got the front all covered up, just masking up some of this chrome just here so we don't get any overspray on it. So I've got these two. I've got the red and a black just to make it a little bit darker. So I've now got red all over my hands, and now we've got the handprints, we've got kill, got drips of blood, more handprints up here, help on the door. Now it's starting to look very good. I think that's all of what we're gonna do. It's only a little bit, but it's still effective. Still looks very effective. Still looks good. So it's untaped now. Oh, the O's gonna be hot. Is it meant to be a capital?
Yes. Not so boxy. And then start the end from down here.
One handprint.
Yep.
So I've gone and done a bit more. I've strapped him to the trike. We've painted this stuff, which we're going to wrap around him. We've got this witch to tie down on the back, and we're just in the process of thinking of making another little number plate and writing on something on it. So I've got Skelly all up on there now. Hopefully it stays. It's pretty tight. I've only cable tied it though, but hopefully it stays on there.
All my ladies got their backs with it. All my ladies got their backs with it.
A few moments later.